So welcome to this video of row level security. So here in this video, we will be seeing how the row level security works, and we can see an example of a demo of how it works with the Power BI desktop and how it will be reflecting to the Power BI service. So row level security is another kind of a filter where the users will get the filtered data with respect to the security which has been given according to the role. So we have some security kinds of things which we need to know is we have a license like Pro and Premium where securities have been distributed with respect to Pro and Premium. Then we have filters to distribute the data set among different methods, different pages, page level, the visual level, and the report level filters. Then finally, we have a row level security where we can filter the data with respect to the users according to the roles, how the admin is going to give them. So we'll see how it is being done, and we will see the end-to-end process from getting the data from a JSON file and then populating it in the service, and we will check with two users. Now we are into the Power BI. Now what we can do is that we can get the data. We can get the data from the JSON data set. Yeah, here we will be clicking JSON connect, and this is the data set, and we are going to open it. Here we got the JSON data set. Now we will change the table name, fact table, and we'll see what the country is there. We'll take this country table, we'll duplicate this. We'll use that country table as a dimension table for this fact table, and we will give the country ID into this fact table. So what we can do is we can go to the country table, just right click on that, and remove other columns. And here also we can remove duplicate columns, duplicate rows. Now change this to country, and here one null value is there, and anyway the null value will be there in that fact table also. So what we can do is that we can go to the country fact table, we can replace the value of null to others. Anyway, we are not going to clean all these things. We are going to just show how RLS low level security works. Null to others. Same way you can come to this country table and you can replace it with null to others. Once you replace it, we can add a column for entering the country ID. So best way is that you can add an index column. So it will automatically add the column number. So it has added the index. Now we can change this to column country ID. Now we need to join these two, merge these two tables. You can go to the fact table and we need to merge instead of country name, we need to give the country ID. So what we can do is that we can go to merge queries. We need to select the country. Get the country table and it will be left out of, and mostly everything will be matched because we are concentrating on this table, it should be left out of. So now it got the selected section got matched. Now we can click OK. So it got merged to fact table. Now we need only the country ID. So we will remove everything and country ID we will take it. Here we got the country ID, we can rename it. And since we got the country ID, there is no need for keeping a country column here. We can just remove it. So since we got the country ID, now we can close and apply. So we got the two tables here. Now we will check the relationship between them. Your relationship is fine. It is one to many from country to fact. Now what we can do is that we can try to load some values here and we will publish it to the service. We can take a clustered column chart. We can use the variety and both price and points we can take. And here what we can do is that we can take a slicer with province. So all the provinces are there, and with respect to that, all these things are, all the varieties also there. Now we can create a second page where we can create another chart. It will be like country and price, and another one with country and points. So here, no need of any slicer or anything. Now we can see how the role is being played, how the role, through this role, how we can filter, how the people with respect to the roles are going to get filtered. But before that, we need to publish it. We have to save this file. We can save it. We can save it without role. Now we are not keeping, we are not selecting any roles. We are just publishing it without any role. So that why we are doing this, because we will be understanding it, okay, how with role and without role, how it will work. So we have saved it. Now we need to publish it. Just click on publish. And we need to save this. We are going to create it with respect to this name. And it will be without role. So now it got published in the service. We will go and check how it is published. Now this is the service which we have published. We will go and check whether it got published properly. Yeah, without row. And this is the report. Yeah, whatever we have done there, it has been reflected here also. We can change the province. Everything is coming proper. So now what happens is when we put the role with respect to country, we are going to put the role with respect to the country, and so this person will be getting only the country with respect to the role he has given. So another one more thing we can the same time we can give the access to one more person. So we can do that. So we're giving the access to this person also. We will check how this person also got this. So how that person also is going to get, we will check it. So we have shared with this person also. We will go and check whether it is there. Yeah, without role. And that person also will be getting the same report without any roles. So this person also got the same report, both the pages. Now with the role, we have to see how this person is going to get. So now we will continue with the Power BI desktop. So this person is also going to get the report. This person also got the report, and we will almost the same report that she also got. And now we'll close and we will check how we will put the role, manage the role in the. So now we will give the role. We just need to click the modeling, manage roles, and once the manage roles comes, we need to create a role, and let it be country itself, and we can create it as US, and in that we need to filter the country as US. We can check the DAX expression whether it is proper. Now we need to create another one. We can create it as Australia. And the same, we can do it for filter, and country is Australia. And check it. And say only these two rows right now we are going to create. And we can select it with respect to this view as US. If you click OK, so the person you are going to give the role as US will be seeing only this much. See, province and all, only this much he'll be able to see. And from the page 2, the person will be going to see only this. At the same time, if you are selecting the role Australia, the person who is going to get the role will see only about Australia, the province in Australia with respect to the variety, and the country only Australia they will be able to see. So that's it. We have to once again we need to publish it. Now we will see the change. Earlier we saw everything for both the members, we saw everything, all the countries, everything. Now we will publish it, and then we will give the role to whomever it is. We will publish it in the same without role itself. Okay, it is asking whether to replace the data set, replace the name. Yeah, we can replace it. It's okay, fine. So now it got published. Now we'll go and check whether it is working properly, and then we can give the roles with respect to the people. Now we are into the service, and we will check. This is the namespace, and this is the report. So what we have to do is that we can go to we have to get the data set. So this is the data set, and we need to get the security. We need to select the security, and here we have to give the email IDs of whom the role is applied. So Australia, let it be for this person itself, and we can give it. And then US we can give it to, yeah, we have to give the changes. And then for US we can give to that other person, and we can add and we can save it. Now we'll go and check whether it is coming properly, because for Australia, for this person, for this name Jaspal, if you go and check it, it should be coming Australia, and for this person Netra, if she checks it, her her report will be showing only for US. So we'll go and check for Netra first. It is coming as US.